So here at Sense Technology, we're constantly looking to ways to improve and lower the cost of the system if we can. So over the years, we've improved the efficiency of our production, which has lowered the cost of production, and we've been able to pass that along to customers. We also like to find better ways to do things, either from feedback from our customers or just feedback from repairs and things that we have in the field. And so in 2014, early 2014, we introduced actually a minor upgrade. Well, minor in that you can't see much of the change in the impulse head. But we did upgrade the impulse head to what's called a CRA2. So if you look on the serial number of your impulse head, if it ends in CRA2, then you've got the latest version of the impulse head. But if it doesn't, if it ends in CRA, then you may be interested in some of the upgrades of the CRA2 head. So in 2014, we made some improvements to the impulse head. We made it more efficient. So it is 30% more efficient, which means that it doesn't heat up as fast. And so that way you can use the system for a little bit longer, or if you're a high volume practice, you'll find that that can really benefit things. We also improved the internals slightly, so now it has a more of an impact feel to the design. And although it's still whisper quiet, we did another improvement. If you hear clacking of the impulse head, of course I can't hear it there. It's still so quiet that I can't even make it clack, but sometimes at the higher force levels, you'll hear a clacking in the impulse head. That is an audible indicator that you don't have enough preload when you're adjusting. So if you just press a little bit further, we go back to that nice quiet impulse head. Now that's 25 pounds, so it's a pretty high force level, but generally at the 20 pounds and lower, as soon as you reach the correct preload, you won't hear that clacking noise. But if you do, it's an indication that you need to press a little bit harder. That way we get through the deep tissue and we get closer to kind of the sweet spot for the impulse head for adjusting. We've also improved the end cap for the vibration dampening. So now you'll feel even less vibration. And we've also changed the button a little bit to make things a little bit actually easier for us to repair. So our repair time is less with this system when you do have a problem. And of course, that means less money for you when you pay for a repair out of warranty. Of course, the head still has the 3-year hardware warranty. So if you wanted to upgrade your older CRA head, you can send in the PulStar and the impulse head. We'll then trade out the impulse head for a brand new system, and we'll calibrate that impulse head to the older PulStar G3 box. And we do that now so that we can get that better efficiency. We don't need as much energy to drive the impulse. So you'll still have the same force output, but with less energy created from the impulse head itself. And I'd be happy to do a free loaner for you if you wanted to do that so that we could get your PulStar impulse head in and calibrate the system for you with that new impulse head. So once again, if you've got the CRA impulse head, you can upgrade, basically trade in your old impulse head for a brand new one. 3-year hardware warranty comes with the system, which of course includes loaners for those 3 years. And if you have any problems, we can take care of it from there. But a really nice addition and a nice upgrade for those that are looking to find the latest and greatest design from Sense Technology.